Hey guys, welcome back to Worthy Max, your home for product news and reviews. So I just wanted to give you guys a quick update about the Samsung Galaxy S10 Fingerprint scanner. So as many of you know, the fingerprint scanner on the S10 was a big pain point. So Samsung promised improvements to the fingerprint scanner's functionality through software updates. I actually meant to get this video out a while ago, but other things that we've been working on kind of got in the way. So many of you may already know about this, but there's a small software update that will vastly improve the Galaxy S10's ultrasonic fingerprint scanner. So to get to this update, you'll need to open up the Galaxy Store at least once. This should allow the Galaxy Store to present any updates that you have available for your device in the notification bar. Now the update that we're looking for is listed as an urgent update for biometrics and the fingerprint reader. Once you click and run the update, it's going to disappear. The next time you unlock your S10 after you run the update, you should notice an immediate improvement. Once I ran this update, I noticed a night and day difference in the fingerprint scanner's functionality. Now while it may not be 100%, it's way more accurate than before, even with the screen protector installed. Now this update's actually been out for a while and I've had it installed for about 2 weeks. This has given me plenty of time to test it, and the fingerprint scanner is now working great on this phone. Even from a completely dark screen, it's really accurate and a lot faster unlocking the phone. So if you're still having trouble with accuracy and speed of the fingerprint scanner, I suggest you definitely open the Galaxy Store and run this update. Also, I know I told you guys we'd be doing some giveaways on this channel, and I want to announce the first one now. We're going to be testing some really cool things that we found on Amazon in the near future. To kick it off, we're giving away a $25 Amazon gift card. You don't need to do anything special to win. All you need to do is drop a comment below telling me about your favorite S10 features so far. I'll pick a comment at random. If your comment receives a heart, then you won. Well, that's it for this one, guys. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you next time.